Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Math with Yasir Arafat, and today we have to discuss the most important MCQs of chapter 1 and 2 first year. Now here, the first MCQs here, the number of elements in the set here A, X belongs to the Z, where Z is the set of integers minus 1 less than or equals to 5. So here minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many number elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's mean there are 7 elements in this set. So C option is correct. Now here come to the second MCQs, A union B to the whole complement. It will be equals to A complement intersection B complement. This is the De Morgan's law. Now two sets A and B are said to be disjoint set if A intersection B will be equal to null set. Disjoint set means there is no common element between set A and set B. Now here come to the so the B option is correct of the third MCQs here. Now come to the fourth MCQs here. S intersection T, it is equals to S union T. So what will be the relation between S and T? They are equal sets to each other. So when two sets are equal, then their intersection and the union will be equal to each other. So here if X belongs to A or X belongs to B, so this set will be equals to A union B. When we have to combine the elements of A and elements of B, we will get the set A, this set here. So the correct option A of the fifth MCQs. Now here come to the sixth MCQs. If U is the universal set and A is any non-empty set, then A union A complement, A union A complement. So A union A complement will be equal to the universal set. So the C option is correct. Now here if A and B are given, then A minus B, A minus B, A minus B, that means the elements of first set which does not belong to the next set, we have to write down those elements. So this is 3. So the C option is correct for the 7th MCQs here. Now come to the 8th MCQs here. If A, B and C are given, then what will be the A cross B intersection C here? Now come to the 8th MCQs here. So first we have to calculate B intersection C. So here the B intersection C, that is 2, 1 intersection 2, 3. So the common element is 2. And we have to find out A cross B intersection C. So what is A here? The element of A is 0, 1 and the cross with 2. So this is 0, 2 and 1, 2. This is the answer. So the C option is correct of 8th MCQs here. Now come to the next MCQs here, that is the 9th MCQs. Given that two order pairs are equal, when two order pairs are equal, then the component of X, that is X plus 3 equals to minus 5. So minus 3 and it is equals to minus 8. So the correct option of D is D of the MCQs, 9th MCQs. So here this is pi is an, is a or n, it is an irrational number. So D option is correct of the 10th MCQs here. Now here again the complex number, the product of complex number A, B into C, D, it is equals to AC minus BD, AD plus BC. This is also called the formula of the product of two complex number. So the A option is correct of the 11th MCQs here. Now come to the 11th MCQs. Question says if Z is a complex number, then Z into Z complex with the conjugate, that will be equals to the D is the correct option, the modulus of Z square. So here the Z is equals to A plus B iota, iota B, then the modulus of Z will be equals to the radical A square plus B square. This is its fundamental formula here. Now here the 14th MCQs here given to you, that is Z is equals to 1 plus 2 iota, and we have to find out the conjugate of Z with the complex with the modulus here. So Z conjugate means we have to change the sign of the imaginary part here, and then this is 1 comma minus 2 can be written in the order pair, and here we have the formula A square plus B square. So 1 square and minus 2 square means 4, and it is the radical 5. So the correct option is D. B is the 14th MCQs here. Now come to the next MCQs here. This is the Z. Z is any complex number. Let's suppose that it is A plus B iota. So what will be the A conjugate? It's A minus B iota. So when we have to add these one, so they will be cancelled out here. Imaginary part will be cancelled out here. So A plus A, that is 2A. So it's mean it is a purely real number. So that will be the B part is correct here. The additive inverse of Z, additive inverse means we have to change the sign of the both elements. This is plus 5 becomes minus 5, and this is minus 8 becomes plus 8. So that means the B option is correct of the 16th MCQs here. Now come to the next point here, that is the 17th MCQs. Now come to the 17th MCQs, the multiplicative inverse of this, and we have the formula A over A square plus B square minus B over A square plus B square. This is the formula to find out the multiplicative inverse of the complex number. So A is minus 3, so 3, 9, 8 8s are 64, and minus 8, 9, 3 3s are 9, and 64. So this is the this option is not given, so the E option is correct here. So here come to the 18th MCQs, that is the multiplicative inverse of AB. So this is the general formula to calculate the multiplicative inverse of A comma B here. Now come to the 19th MCQ, so the A option is correct of the 18th MCQs here. Now come to the 20th MCQ, 19th MCQs, x plus 3 iota equals to 2y, x plus 3 iota equals to 2y, find the value of x and y. So here, dear students, this is x plus 3 iota, and this is 2y iota. So when we have to write down in order pair, so this is x comma 3, and here this is, there is no real number, so this will be equal to, so now we have to this is 2y iota, so there is no real number. When we have to write down the order pair, so we have to write down 0 comma 2y. So when we have to equate this order pair, so x is equals to 0 and 3 is equals to 2y, and 3 upon 2 is equals to y. So 0 comma 3 upon 2. So the value of x is 0 and the y is 3 upon 2. So the D option is correct here of the 19th MCQs. Now come to the 20th MCQs here, the real and the imaginary part of iota into 3 minus 2 iota. So when we have to multiply this iota 3 minus 2 iota, so this is 3 iota minus 2 iota square, 3 iota, iota square is minus 1, so minus minus plus, so we have to write down in order pair here. So this is 3 iota, or we can say that here the real part is 2 and the imaginary part is 3. So D, C option is correct for 20th MCQs. Dear students, we have discussed a very important 20 MCQs of chapter 1 and 2. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.